How do I install Python 3 on an AWS EC2 instance? I'm trying to install Python 3.x on an AWS EC2 instance and doesn't work. I've Googled around and I can't find anyone else who has this problem, so I'm asking here. Do I have to manually download and install it?
Here are the steps I use to manually compile and install Python 3 for anyone else who wants to do it, as it's not super straightforward. Edit, it's almost certainly easier to use the yum package manager, see other answers. Note, you'll probably want to do sudo yum group install development tools before doing this, otherwise pip won't install.
If you do you will see that while they don't have a Python 3 package, they do have a Python 34 package, or a more recent release, such as Python 36. Installing it is as easy as
EC2 on the Amazon Linux Army currently supports Python 3.4 and Python 3.5.
As of Amazon Linux version 2017.09, Python 3.6 is now available. See the release notes for more info and other packages.
Flash number 101.